Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how you can automatically share the new videos published on your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. So in this video, we are going to set up a simple automation using which whenever a new video will be uploaded on YouTube, automatically the same video details will be posted as a new post on our Facebook page. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this kind of automation, be with me till the end of this video. So as you can see, here we are on my YouTube channel. Right now you can see on my YouTube channel, I have uploaded a video. Now I want that whenever I'm going to upload a new video on my YouTube channel, I want to share the same video with the video title and video link on my Facebook page over here. Now to make this happen, we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with our Facebook account. And to do this, we will be using an automation and integration platform named as Pabbly Connect. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. So I want to name my workflow as YouTube to Facebook. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. Now as we click on Create, here you can see our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. So that whenever we are going to upload a new video on our YouTube channel, automatically the details of that newly uploaded video will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that newly uploaded video, like the video link and video title, to our Facebook page. And we are going to create a new post on our Facebook page. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose App, search for YouTube. Just select it. After selecting our trigger application, here in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new video in channel with video URL. After selecting the trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with YouTube button. Select your Google account, select your YouTube account, then just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our YouTube channel, our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, here you can see channel ID. Now here in this drop down, you will see a list of all the YouTube channels associated with your YouTube account, associated with your Gmail or Google account. Right now, I have only one channel named as demo channel. That's why in this drop down, you can see only one channel over here. After selecting the channel, what we have to do, we have to click on save and send test request. And after clicking on save and send test request, the last video, the most recent video which we have uploaded on our YouTube channel, the details of that most recent video will be captured, will be received inside Pabbly Connect in this trigger step. So right now on my YouTube channel, I have this video named as Beach in Summer. So you can see this is the video of 24 seconds. So we'll go back to our workflow and we will just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And in this response, you can see all the details of the video which we have recently published on our YouTube channel, the most recently published video. Here you can see the video URL. This is the URL link of the same video. We will copy it and paste it in a new tab. And here you can see we have the exact same video over here. Then after that, you can see the embed URL of the video. You can see the kind of the video, e-tags, ID kind, video ID, and publish date and time as well. We will scroll down further and here you can see the title of the video and also the description of the video which we have added. So the title is Beach in Summer and the description is we are setting up this automation. So here you can see in this video I have this description. Then we'll scroll down further and you can see some other details related to the newly published video over here. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have connected our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of the most recently published video on our YouTube channel in our Pabbly Connect workflow. After setting up this automation, this YouTube trigger will check for new videos on our YouTube channel every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, it is going to check our YouTube channel whether we have uploaded a new video or not. So every 10 minutes, this YouTube trigger is going to check for new videos on our YouTube channel, whether we have uploaded a video or not. If we have uploaded a new video, it will get the details of the newly uploaded video and this automation workflow will trigger. If not, in that case, this automation workflow is not going to get triggered over here. So after completing the step 1, we have the details of the video. Now what we want to do, we want to share this video on our Facebook page. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action window, and here in choose app, we will search for Facebook. Just select Facebook pages over here. After selecting Facebook pages, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as create page post. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook page account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Facebook pages button. Now because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Just click on this continue button, and as we click on continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. Let me show you. So in my Facebook account, I have a list of different Facebook pages. I have a lot of Facebook pages over here. Out of all of this, we have to select the Facebook page from this drop down on which we want to share these videos over here. So I have a Facebook page named as Green Pro Landscaping. I want that whenever a new video is published, I want to share the video on this particular Facebook page. So from this drop down, I'm going to search for the same Facebook page on which we want to create a post and select it over here. After selecting the Facebook page, it is asking us for the message. What will be the caption of the post which we are creating? So I want my caption to be new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. Title. And here in this message, I want to mention the title of the newly uploaded video as well. So from trigger step responses, here you can see we have received the title of the new video in trigger response. So here we have this response of title. Now what we have to do, we will be using a process of mapping and we are going to map this response of video title from this trigger responses to this action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of message and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from YouTube of a new video being published. Out of all of these responses, select this response of title and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever video title we are going to enter by publishing the video on YouTube, the same video title will be received inside Pabbly Connect and we are going to add the same title on our Facebook page post as well. After mapping the title, let's say in the next line, I want to enter the description of the YouTube video as well. So we can use the same process of mapping once again. Just click here from the drop down. We have received the YouTube video description too. So select the response of description and map it. So in this way, this is the simple message. This is the simple caption which I want to keep of my Facebook page post. If you want, you can change the caption and add or remove some other details as well. After entering the message, after creating the caption, here it is asking us link URL. So here in link URL, we have to mention the URL, the link of our YouTube video. So we will be using the process of mapping. Just click here and from the drop down from YouTube responses, select and map the response of video URL in this field of link URL. And after creating the message, selecting the page and mapping the video URL, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created, this message is posted or created as a post on our Facebook page. And in this same post, we have this particular video URL being added. So let's check it. We will go to our Facebook page. We will just refresh our Facebook page once. And yes, here you can see just now a new post is shared on my Facebook page. The caption is new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. Title is Beach in Summer. And here you can see the same video title which was published on our YouTube channel. Also in this Facebook page, you can see the same description of the video. And here we have the YouTube video URL. Just click on this link and it will take us to the same YouTube video which we have published. So in this way, you can see we have successfully created this automation using which whenever a new video will be published on our YouTube channel, automatically the same video details will be shared as a post on our Facebook page. Now, after setting up the automation, we are going to test this automation workflow in real time. I'll go to my YouTube channel and we are going to upload a new video over here. So I will just upload another video on my YouTube channel. Let's select the video file like I have this video. Let's open it and we are going to upload a new video over here. So the video upload process is started. The title of this video is Nature's Symphony, where waters dance and dreams flow. And we are going to add a description as, for example, we are testing this automation. So I've just now added a dummy description. You can add any description of your choice. So the upload process is complete. Now we are going to publish this video on our YouTube channel. So I'm just going to select public and click on publish. So just now you can see on our YouTube channel, a new video is published over here. So here you can see under content section, just now we have added a new video. And we will see using this Pabbly Connect automation, because we have the polling time of 10 minutes, within 10 minutes, the same video will be shared as a post on our Facebook page as well. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now we'll go to our Facebook page and refresh our Facebook page once. And yes, here you can see just now a few seconds ago, a new post is shared on our Facebook page. The caption is, new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. The title is Nature's Symphony, the same video title which we have added to our YouTube video while uploading it on YouTube. And also in this Facebook page, you can see the same caption, we are testing this automation. Now here you can see a link of the video, just click on it and it will take you to the same video which we have uploaded just now. This means the Pabbly Connect automation which we have created in this video, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly for more such content on automation and integration. If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.